All right, so I've got a Penn Pursuit 2 4000 series reel that we're gonna replace a couple of bearings in. So you can actually replace this reel pretty cheaply, but that being said, it has a little sentimental value to it. Somebody special gave it to me, and I don't know, I like using it. It works really well. I've caught a lot of good fish with this thing, so we're gonna pull this thing apart and put some bearings in this. We got a couple bearings that are making a lot of noise, and it's a little bit tight reeling it in. That'll look a little better. Well, that didn't work at all. So pull the handle off. Pull the spool off. Handle, side cover, on there a little bit tight. Anyway, this bearing right here, we're going to be replacing that one, but we've also got a new side cover. This has got a lot of crust and corrosion on it. I'd rather just go ahead and put a new one in it with the new bearing. Like I said, again, cheap, didn't cost a bunch for these parts, and like I said, I really like this reel. There you go, just dropped right in like that. That's a new bearing. Now the other bearing is on this side here, and we've got to get to it through all this mess here. So all this has got to come out.